Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Ulta Beauty credit card account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in ulta.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Ulta website. Now from this page, in order to log into your credit card account, go ahead and click on the checkout button at the top right corner alongside your account icon. This will now proceed to the checkout page, from which, since you haven't already logged into your account, you will be asked to log in. Within the right side of the login page and underneath the checkout box, you will find the Ultimate Rewards credit card option. So go ahead and click on the See Details button and you will be taken into the Ultimate Rewards credit card page. From this page, you will be able to find the Apply Now button if you don't already have an account. If you do have your account already, scroll down and click on Manage Account. You can then simply click on your respective card and you will find the Sign In button at the top section. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked to enter your username and password. Go ahead and type in your username associated with the Ulta Beauty account, followed by your account password. Finally, click on the Sign In button and you will be logged into your credit card account with Ulta Beauty. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your credit card account on Ulta Beauty website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.